Check, check. Hello, hello. Yo, yo. Check one. Alright, cool. We're live. Let's go. Get this out of here. Alright. Alright, we're going to start calculating the range for today. Let's check it out. We're live. Cool. Alright, so we're going to the line chart. We have a couple minutes. Alright, we're going to go straight 230 to 245. Okay? So far, what do we have for today? Alright, so far we're at about a 10 pip range. Okay? Now we'll see what it wants to do. We have this big movement to the upside. Look, all of this. Okay? We can even see potentially a push to the upside now, right? We broke out of a lot of structure. Right, you can see all this. Okay. So, zooming back into our scalp. Okay. Price is moving. Okay, so we're back to the line chart. We're at about a 12 pip range. Okay, anybody else starting to mark up their chart? You can put in your range in the chat. Make sure everybody's on the same page. Okay, right now we're measuring about a 12-ish pip range. All right. All right, it's starting to push down, dumping a little bit. Okay. If it holds like this and it surpasses the 12 pip mark, we will have a low leverage trade day. Okay. We've had two trades this week, a high leverage and a low leverage. They're both at a loss. Therefore, you'd be at a -8. Okay. If it holds around here, we're going to be at the 11 pip range. Therefore, we would be at a high leverage trade. So we have to see. We can see where there could be some wick in here, right? Let's see how the candle closes in the next minute. We'll see with the line chart. Okay. If it continues to dump, right, then you're going to see the line chart will fall. If this turns into a wick and comes up, the line chart will hold and we'll be at around 11 pips. Okay. See, look, see how the line chart's coming back up? Obviously, it means, bless you, we're going to have a wick. Best believe. Thanks for joining the call. We're live on this trade right now. We haven't gotten anything. We have to finish our range, right? So thanks for jumping on. Right now is the beginning. We're starting to mark up the chart to get our range. We are at about a 12 pip range right now. Again, we have 30 seconds. We'll decide with this candle close whether we're going to go high or low leverage. It's looking low. See, this has to really wick. It's pushing down. Whoop. 1 second. Looks like you're going to sit at 12 pips. Bare minimum. 12.8. Okay. If anybody else is measuring, you can let me know what you have. But we're getting a solid 12.9. It's almost 13 pips. All right, so we're going to go low leverage. Our range, I'm even going to just call it 13 pips, okay? So on a live account, risk 3%. On a prop firm, risk 0.5 to 1%, okay? Prop firms are tricky depending on the prop firm you're with. Check that out, okay? That's up to you. This is a recommendation. So with that being said, this last candle will close out for the true range. So I'll update that, but it's definitely still going to stay at low leverage, okay? So now we're at around a 15. It would have to dump like a solid 10 pips in a minute and a half, which it could, and we'd actually not trade at all. However, now you're at 15. So this will update, all right, once it's finalized. But for sure, it's low leverage, no matter what. I'm getting 13.9. This little peak that we're at right here is always going to be there now because that candle's closed. That's why we know it's going to be low leverage no matter what. Whatever this current candle does, it doesn't even matter at this point. Okay, because this peak's going to stay there, this low. I'll show you that low in 30 seconds. So yeah, 13 pip range. 20 seconds. Okay, see? That's what I was showing you. That's going to stay because of the way it closed. All right, so there you go. Like we said, that's our range for the day. It's 13 pips. Okay, I don't need that anymore. We have it here. Go back to the candles. Okay, now let's see what's good. We're really right at the baseline here with our TDI, but it's more so respecting that it could come higher. All right, we want to start riding these waves potentially to the upside. So TDI is literally at the midpoint. Where's your EMAs? Your first EMA, we're under. Okay, we're right in the middle here, and we're under on him. So we're actually preferring a short with our system. Okay, if we were to break the high of the range, we're not going to trade. We have to come break these EMAs to the upside. However, to the downside, if it breaks, look, you're under, you're going to be under, you're under, and this guy's under. So we have to pay attention now. If this candle closes in the next minute and a half, and we're under, then we're going to get in. Okay, we're going to get in the short. Look, your TDI is going to curl under. It's going to close under. Watch. We'll zoom in on the TDI right here. All you need is the price to close under the baseline, which is the yellow line. And at the same time, so we'll put it here. Watch. While this, we need it to close under the range, obviously. So, watch. Get ready. If this closes like this, we can short it. We will short. Guys, there's 50 seconds. There's a potential for a short. Okay. Gbpjpy on the 3-minute. 40 seconds. Let's see what it's doing. Checking the 1 minute. See? Right now it's all wick. We're not touching that. We're not touching that right now. No trade. Nothing right now. Ooh. Ooh. It's pushing. Wait. We have to respect that TDI. Because it'll trick us. It'll trick us. TDI's curling under. Guys, we got to get in this short. Okay, it's starting to curl under. So we're in the short. Guys, we are in the short. All right. That's what you wanted to see. So look, we're in this short right now. Now we're going to need a 15 pip SL. And we're going to need our 30 pip TP. All right, guys, we're in this short. Short. So your SL, 197.47. Your TP, 190.275. Okay. Get that in there. Guys, this is greatness. Just so everybody knows, our robot is working to perfection right now. It's in the exact trade. Hands-free, totally hands-free. This is the exact trade with our robot. Okay? The robot is in the exact trade. Hands-free. Whether it wins or loses, the robot's working. This is going to be huge. Okay? All right. Guys, we're in the short. We're in the short. SL 190.747. TP 190.275. Okay. Let me know if anybody's in this short. You still have an opportunity to get in. We're still sitting at the entry point. You can get in the short right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Germany's in the house. What's poppin'? Thanks for joining. We're going to do a big merge and partnership soon. Imperial FX is going to grow with a great new company. We'll release that information very soon. But big things are coming to end the year and to push us right into the new year. Okay, we'd like to see this trade push us into profit. Let's see what the market's going to do for us today. Okay, so we're looking to come down here. Obviously break these lows. All right. So we are in the trade before the hour, which is what we want to see. Take a quick look at the hour. Watch. Get rid of the drawings. See how that wick really just touched that EMA. Now, we want it to close obviously bearish. There's only 5 minutes left. But then you could see how potentially, right, maybe price is going to hold some kind of structure of that. Sorry, our drawing just came right back. And maybe we'd see it fall. Something like that maybe, but We'll come back to the 3 minute. All right, so same thing with this EMA, from the 1 hour down to the 3 minute. Yeah, if anyone else is in this trade, let me know. But we are in the short. It's starting to move. It's starting to move. Okay. I like what I see. It's looking good. I like these wicks. I can see it on the 1 minute also. We like the wicks. Let's see. Ooh, it's a big pop though. All right, let's see. So we don't love that candle, obviously. A few more to close out the hour. We're gonna see what it does. Okay. Guys, we're in this short. You can get in right now. You have a better entry. Okay, get in right now. However, you know, I don't love the last candle. So again, this is a low leverage trade day. Do not put a high leverage on this trade. Okay. Two more minutes. So we'll zoom into the 1 minute just for some training. Okay, look. We were breaking the load. So that's why it was a really tight entry. We got in quick, which is what we like anyway, before the new hour, which is in 2 minutes. Okay. So that's why we're in this tight entry quick. We got body breaks to the low. And again, that's on the 3 minute down in here. Okay. So we just need to see a few candles come to continue to break under the low of our range. Check your 5. Not the best. 15. Your 15 was all right. This nice 15 bearish candle's okay. Price may just play in this. Look. And possibly come out. Okay. But not for sure. These are just possibilities, right? This is why we just follow our rules. It's a lot easier. Win or lose, that's the trade, right? So let's see. Are we going to dump under? The hour is going to tell us a lot. 50 seconds. 50 seconds to close out the hour, okay? We're on the 1 minute chart just for training. Can zoom in a little bit more. Let's see. All right, it's pushing up. Okay, guys, we have 5 seconds. Let's see. We're going to see a potential push right away. Up or down. Let's see. How'd your 1 hour close? Let's see. It's pretty bullish, to be honest with you. The 1 hour close is bullish. We don't love it. We're in a short. However, this wick may give us some love or not. So we're coming back to the 3. We're getting a push to the downside. I like that. I like that. Let's go. Now the new hour is open, right? So that could be a wick. We know that, right? Any new candle that opens, there's going to be a wick, right? I know. Again, that's why we're just going to follow our rules. We know about all these order blocks and order flows and all this blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, regardless, it could take us out or we could push into profit, right? But that's why I said, once this hour opens, it's going to be very fast, whether it's in or out. So, guys, it looks like we may be right out of this trade really quick. Let me check. He may be out already. 1 second. Let's check this account. Yeah, we're zapped out. Looks like we're zapped out. Yep, we're out. We're out. Get out, get out, get out. It's a loss, yo. It's a quick loss. Stay out. Guys, we do take losses, right? This is real trading. We're not going to win every day. We've been through this. We take losses here and there. So stay out of the trade. Okay, we took a loss. Quick day. Guys, thanks for joining the call. We'll be back tomorrow. Same bad time, same bad channel. All right, we have some news that we'll be sharing with you shortly. We have some big things happening. Again, thanks for joining. Appreciate your time. Of course, you're right. Content is a part of the game. This is the best way to trade. You trade with a team, you trade a system, we follow rules, and sometimes you take a loss. So our system's done for the day, 1 trade a day, that's it. Thank you again. Appreciate everybody's time. We'll be back tomorrow, and we'll be crushing the charts. Thank you. Ciao.